Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to share your Instagram profile link on WhatsApp. Let's get to it. Open your Instagram app on your phone. Then if you want to share your profile link, click on your profile link right here. And then choose share profile. It's right here. And choose share profile. But you can also choose copy link and then open your WhatsApp app. But I'm just gonna choose share profile and wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, and then you have to choose WhatsApp right here to share your profile link to WhatsApp. Just click on the WhatsApp and then you can send to your WhatsApp story, or you can also share to your contacts. And I'll just go with my contact right here. Just click on the contact and then click this share button. Alright, then we can click on the share button again. Okay, and now your Instagram profile link has been shared to WhatsApp. Okay guys, that's how that's the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye.